The Southwest Wisconsin Technical College logo, a stylized building with a calculator icon, illuminates with a golden glow against a dark, reflective surface. In a nursing lab, a female instructor shines a pen light into a male student's eye as another male student takes notes at a table nearby.
The nursing program is a 2-year program if you go full-time. We do offer part-time, which can be 3 to 4 years.
A female student examines a medical training model's ear with an otoscope. Behind her, a male student sits on a bed, and other students and instructors are in the background.
They can get right back on track instead of waiting a whole semester or, for that matter, a whole year before they get back on track.
A female student in a pink scrub top listens to another female student's back with a stethoscope. A third female student sits on a bed in the background.
So what they'll learn right away is they learn how to take apical pulse, blood pressure, the basic vitals, and then they go into a general survey.
An instructor in a plaid vest gestures while talking to 2 students, one taking notes and the other sitting on a bed. Another student stands behind them. A female student in blue scrubs gently touches the face of a male student, checking his eyes. Medical supplies are on the wall behind them.
And we keep building on a head-to-toe skill set.
A female student in blue scrubs stands facing the camera, speaking. In the background, another female student performs an assessment on a male student.
We've learned about the cardiovascular system, cardiovascular assessments, abdominal assessments, respiratory assessments, and the general survey.
A female student palpates the neck of another female student sitting on a bed. In the background, a male student performs an assessment on a female student.
Right away, day one, they're out there, they're practicing here in classes, then they go out to our clinicals and they're actually performing on real patients with real needs.
A female student holds a thermometer, smiling at a male student sitting on a bed. Medical equipment is mounted on the wall. Another female student gently touches the neck of a second female student, who looks up with a slight smile.
I really enjoy the smaller class sizes and that you're able to go up to a teacher and ask questions.
2 female students and an instructor stand talking to a male student sitting on a bed. Other students are in the background.
Nobody's, you're never scared to ask questions, even if there's never a stupid question.
A male student in blue scrubs and a stethoscope stands, speaking to the camera. Behind him, a female student checks the back of another male student.
I chose Southwest Tech just because I'm familiar with it, as well as honestly the pricing of it is a big benefit too. I don't have to get crazy in debt for my nursing degree.
A female student in blue scrubs gently touches the face of another female student who looks up at her. A laptop is open on a table nearby.
The fact that we have a lot of the labs and we can do scenarios with people and the interaction, especially with the teachers, they're very hands-on, they're very interactive.
An instructor in a plaid vest demonstrates a procedure to a male student sitting on a bed, while another female student observes and a male student takes notes. A female student holds a nasal swab near a male student's nose. Another female student and an instructor watch them. Other students are in the background.
Just a few minutes ago, I had one of my teachers doing an assessment on me, showing in front of the entire class. So, and just the friendliness of everybody here that's working.
A female student in blue scrubs holds the hands of a male student sitting on a bed, both smiling. A privacy curtain is behind them.
I feel like I can always go up and ask questions.
A female student in blue scrubs talks to a male student sitting on a bed. Other students are visible in the background of the lab.
Everybody's willing to help, really accommodating for learning.
The female instructor in a plaid vest sits at a desk, speaking to the camera. Behind her, students are practicing in the lab.
A lot of our students are actually in our counties that we serve here at the college, which is nice because we'll go to clinical with our students now and we see our prior grads working, and it's nice to see the collaboration between our past graduates with our new nursing students and helping build that camaraderie.
A male student takes notes, while a female instructor and a female student interact with another male student sitting on a bed. A female student in a pink scrub top listens to another female student's back with a stethoscope. A third female student sits on a bed in the background. The female instructor in a plaid vest sits at a desk speaking to the camera. Behind her, students are practicing in the lab.
It just shows how much that the students care for each other and really embrace the skills that they learned from Southwest Tech.
The Southwest Wisconsin Technical College logo, a stylized building with a calculator icon, illuminates with a golden glow against a dark, reflective surface.